All right, welcome back to Crypto Fundamentals. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to use the actual decentralized exchange, also known as DEX. So, in the future references, if you see me or hear me saying DEX, I mean decentralized exchange. And to be honest, once you understand how to navigate at least one decentralized exchange, the rest of them are pretty much the same. So you only need to master one, and then the only difference you're gonna encounter moving forward is gonna be basically just UI changes, different design, different buttons, but the core principle will be the same. Let me remove that. So uh, in this video, I'm gonna show you quite a few, the most popular, the biggest ones, decentralized exchanges, and then moving forward, if you find new dexes or other dexes that I haven't showed in this video, you're basically gonna know how to navigate them. So let's go to Uniswap, which is one of the biggest, one of the most popular decentralized exchange on Ethereum, the whole Ethereum ecosystem, including Ethereum and Ethereum layer 2s. And basically, when you come to the decentralized exchange, always the first step will be to connect your wallet. Now, wallet connection is very important element. When you are connecting your wallet to the biggest, most trusted, most well-known protocols, there is nothing to worry about. But always ensure that you are on the right website because there are many scams laying around, and do not connect your main wallet to any smaller, less known decentralized protocols, including dexes, liquidity provisions, anything. So when you are participating in DeFi, it's a very good habit to master to always double check everything, because even on Uniswap, if you are on the official website, which is uniswap.org, it's all good, but you might find multiple Uniswap copies, and the moment you connect your wallet, you essentially give access to the hackers. So it's complicated system, and I recommend to always double check. And if you are willing to explore different decentralized exchanges or any decentralized protocols that are not well known, are not massive or big or popular, but you still want to explore the opportunities there, then make sure to have a burner wallet, a wallet that you uh, where basically you are not holding all of your assets, and you can connect that wallet, look around, see what's up, and if you feel like depositing some capital into, you deposit into the burner wallet, so to call, and then you use that capital on the protocol, but never connect your main wallet. I mean, in most cases, there is nothing wrong about wallet connection, but just to be sure, just to be safe, because this space is full and full of scams, and people are falling to many scams on a pretty much daily basis. So just to make sure that you are safe, always use the top protocols, well known, biggest ones, and most trusted. And in case you were using anything else, then make sure to use another wallet, not your main one. So now I am on Uniswap, and as you can see right here, I do have a button connect, and in most cases you're gonna see either connect or connect wallet, and you want to click on that, and then you will see the list of wallets that is available, and basically the one that you have, you want to click on it and simply connect the wallet. So in this case, I am using Rabi, so I will connect my Rabi wallet. It will ask you to enter the password. I did just that, and usually the Rabi wallet itself, as you can see, shows site popularity, which is high, and verified by Rabi, which is yes. So on the biggest protocols, on the well-known protocols, some wallets, they identify and verify the protocols. So it's reassuring that the protocol is safe to use. So click on connect, and basically you're gonna see your wallet connected, and now you are able to use the DEX. So the only thing that you're doing on DEX, and in this example I'm going to show you how to navigate it, is when you want to swap between different assets. So you have two options in terms of the crypto market. Number one, to use centralized exchange like Binance, KuCoin, Mexi, Coinbase, anything else. There are many of them. But then essentially you're buying from the centralized authority. They have the crypto, you buy from them, so to speak, and they have the custody of your assets, etc. Now, on a decentralized level, you are swapping from the decentralized liquidity pool. So you are in control, the money is in your wallet, and you are in custody. And basically, the DEX works in a very simple way. You will see this kind of window across all of them, and basically you're able to swap between one asset to another. So let's say in this case you want to swap from Ethereum, let's say from Ethereum to anything else, let's say USDC, and then you simply write, okay, so I want to swap 0.1 Ethereum to USDC. It will calculate the route. It will show you how much you're gonna get. You will see the gas fee, which is just 2 cents in this case. You want to click on review, and you want to click on swap. And when you click on swap, you will have to confirm the transaction in your wallet. Just like that, as you can see, you are sending 0.1 Ethereum, and you will get 394 in USDC. I don't want to do that just now, so I'm going to click on cancel. But as soon as you click confirm, your money will be swapped. And now, because of this swap transaction, as you can see, the fee 0.25%, which is in this case 99 cents, that's the protocol fee. And that fee goes to all of the liquidity providers, just why the whole DeFi exists. And basically, throughout the program, you're going to be learning how to become a liquidity provider. And this is a very good example to understand where does the yield come from. So now, every single time you swap, no matter the transaction size, everything, you're going to be paying this fee. And this fee goes to people like me and future you. And this is where the yield comes from. And that's it. It's very simple. And if you wish to swap any other asset, meme coins, anything that you can think of, as long as it's on this protocol, you will be able to swap it from Ethereum to anything. There are endless amounts of money and endless amounts of tokens available, and you can basically swap from one asset to another. Now, let me disconnect my wallet from here. Now, if we go to one of the Solana, for example, DEX, which is called Radium, which is the biggest one on Solana, is the same thing. As you can see, you have connect wallet, you click on that, we have Phantom, so let's connect that. We connected the Phantom wallet, and as you can see, this is the same window, very similar to Uniswap. They also have a chart right here, which is not necessarily necessary, and then you can swap from Solana or any other asset that you have to something as well. So let's say I want to swap from Solana to USDC. Let's say I want to swap 0.1 Solana. It will calculate me how much USDC I will get. In this case, 17.74. And you click on swap and you confirm the transaction. And that is it. You just swapped and used decentralized exchange, and you were swapping through your wallet and not any kind of centralized authority, meaning that your transactions, everything is not being stored, so to speak, on a centralized matter like Binance, KuCoin, or anything. It's just on a public blockchain. Now, let me show you one other, which is Orca. Orca is also a very, very well-known decentralized exchange on Solana as well. As you can see, the wallet is already connected, but If it's not, it's going to be just a button, connect wallet, and the UI is very similar to Uniswap, as you can see right here. It's pretty much the same, and you can do the same thing. You want to swap zero point 0.1 Solana to Orca or to Tuna or to USDC. It's completely up to you, and you click on trade, you confirm the transaction in your wallet, and that's it. So this is how you use decentralized exchanges. Another one on Solana which is popular is Jupiter. As you can see, the UI is pretty similar to Uniswap and Orca. Once again, click on connect, Phantom, connect, that's it. And now you're able to swap between different assets from Solana to USDC and vice versa from USDC to anything else. It's just completely up to you how you want to use it. And different decentralized exchanges also offer different tools. So for example, on Jupiter, you might find what's cooking, so what's trending, what's interesting in the market. You can also find some different alpha scan, for example. So this is all of the tokens that are being created, all of that stuff, which is not very important at this case. On Uniswap, for example, you can go to explore and you will see the volumes, the TVL numbers, etc. You will see the assets, all of the coins listed on Uniswap, all of the pools on Uniswap, etc. etc. So basically, you just can go and explore the DEX itself. And last one, I'm going to show you the SUI, most popular DEX, which is Cetus or Cetus. And you want to click on Access App. It will redirect you to the app itself right here. You also want to click on Connect Wallet, connect your SUI wallet, and basically you're going to see this window, which is very similar to Uniswap, Orca, etc. Right? You want to, let's say, swap $50 to SUI. It's going to show you how much you're going to receive, and you're going to click on swap and confirm the transaction. So that's how you basically use any kind of decentralized exchange. All other ones, because there are many of them, will look pretty much the same with different design, different buttons, different names maybe, but more or less it's gonna be absolutely the same thing. So this is how the decentralized exchange itself works. Hopefully it's all clear by now, and of course I will see you on the next video.